Welcome to Pakistan General Knowledge. MCQs about United Nations Organization. Question number 1. When was United Nations Organization established? 30 September 1945, 24 October 1945. Correct option is 24 October 1945. Question number 2. Where was the headquarters of United Nations Organization located? New York, Francisco. Correct option is New York. Question number 3. United Nations Organization was established after which war? World War I, World War II. Correct option is World War II. Question number 4. When did Pakistan join United Nations Organization? 30 September 1947, 13 November 1947. Correct option is 30 September 1947. Question number 5. When did Charter signed? 26 June 1945, 28 August 1947. Correct option is 26 June 1945. Question number 6. When was UN Charter drafted? 14 August 1941, 17 November 1942. Correct option is 14 August 1941. Question number 7. When was UN Charter entered into force? 24 October 1945, 27 September 1945. Correct option is 24 October 1945. Question number 8. When did construction of headquarters of United Nations Organization begin? 14 September 1948, 19 December 1948. Correct option is 14 September 1948. Question number 9. When did construction of the headquarters of United Nations Organization completed? 9 October 1952, 10 November 1952. Correct option is 9 October 1952. Question number 10. Who was the first Secretariat General of United Nations Organization? Gladden-Jeff, Trygve-Lie. Correct option is Trygve-Lie. Question number 12. When did Trygve-Lie became the Secretariat General of United Nations Organization? 2 Feb 1946, 3 September 1946. Correct option is 2 Feb 1946. Question number 12. When did Trygve-Lie resign from the post of Secretariat General of United Nations Organization? 15 December 1951, 10 November 1952. Correct option is 10 November 1952. Question number 13. Who is the current and permanent Secretariat General of United Nations Organization? Antonio Guterres, Ban Ki-moon. Correct option is Antonio Guterres. Question number 14. When did Antonio Guterres join the United Nations Organization as Secretariat General? 1st January 2017, 3rd March 2017. Correct option is 1st January 2017. Thanks for watching.